Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL Outdoor Grill and Smoker Review, the compact powerhouse with a smoky twist. Whether you want to smoke, grill, air fry, roast or bake, the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL has you covered. A significant upgrade on the original model, this immense outdoor appliance comes packed with a smart thermostat that can connect to the Ninja app for pinpoint accurate cooking times and a larger capacity for group meals, all while offering the same delicious smoky flavors, thanks to the flavored wood pellets. How we tested the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL Outdoor Grill. To gauge the functionality of this grill, we used it to cook dinner for a full week. We grilled chicken breasts, corn on the cob, and asparagus to test the grill function, including use of the built-in thermometer. To test the smoker, we smoked chicken wings and used the Ninja Woodfire Pellets Robust Blend. We also baked chicken wings to serve alongside air-fried French fries that we made using the air fry basket. Finally, we grilled Italian sausages. What we like. It cooks food evenly. This Ninja Woodfire grill cooks food evenly thanks to the cast iron grill grates and the interior convection fan, which both encourage even heat distribution. The convection fan works similarly to an air fryer by moving the hot air across the food as it cooks. When we cut into the chicken breasts, after the built-in thermometer read 165 degrees Fahrenheit, the meat was cooked evenly throughout. We did not find any hot spots on the grill's cooking surface, whether we were smoking meat, grilling veggies, or air frying French fries. Its many functions actually work. Of the grill's 7 functions, we tested 4: grill, smoke, air crisp, and bake. The grill function produced evenly cooked chicken, corn, and asparagus, and it even gave the food some of those inviting signature grill marks. Air crisp was another winner. The French fries were perfectly crispy without being too brown. Baking a batch of chicken wings produced evenly cooked wings that tasted as if they'd come straight from a standard-sized oven. The smoker function imparted a thoroughly smoky flavor to another batch of chicken wings in under 30 minutes. After easily adding the pellets to the integrated smoke box, using the scoop that comes with the grill, all that was left to do was press the correct buttons. The user manual is fairly clear to follow when smoking with this grill for the first time. But it's important to note that the time on the grill's display is listed in hours and minutes for this function, rather than minutes and seconds, as smoking requires relatively low heat and slow cooking time. Cleanup is a breeze. Cleaning this grill couldn't have been easier. The non-stick grill grate is removable and relatively lightweight. We were able to remove any residue left over from cooking with a quick rinse, a little soap, and light sponge washing. As for grease, the grease tray and disposable tray liners come in handy here. All we had to do was let things cool down, then remove the tray liner and dispose of it. It's worth noting that these liners are also sold separately, but you could use aluminum foil to line the grease tray if you didn't want to buy more. What we don't like. The stand is sold separately. The base of this grill is not flat, and instead has 4 very short legs and indentations in the base for where the adjustable outdoor stand fits in. This presents a problem if you're looking for a flat, heat-resistant surface to place the grill on when cooking. If the outdoor space you're using is relatively small, it's likely you won't be able to fit a table large enough to hold the grill. The grill is just large enough that small tables, such as TV trays, won't accommodate it, especially given the small legs that extend from each corner. We crafted a makeshift table using 2 recycling bins to elevate the grill off of the ground enough to comfortably cook. Seeing as this product really needs to be elevated in order to properly use it, it seems counterintuitive to not include the stand with the grill itself. It has a small surface area for cooking. Ninja claims that this grill has 180 square inches of cooking space, enough to fit 2 full racks of ribs, 10 burgers, 4 pounds of wings, 2 7-pound chickens, or a 10-pound brisket, according to the brand's website. While this may technically be true in terms of square inches, fitting most of those food items on the grill would essentially cover the grill's surface, making it difficult to flip things without food falling on the floor. This small grill is ideal for a small family of 2 to 4 people, but it wouldn't be ideal for cooking for a crowd at, say, a football tailgate. The cord is short. Clocking in at just 4.59 feet, this cord is short and not removable. The instruction manual notes that this must be plugged directly into a grounded 3-prong outlet, so extension cords aren't an option. And since this grill can only be used outdoors, you'll want to make sure you have such an outlet on the outside of your home or wherever you plan to use it before you purchase. Once you've located a suitable outlet, you'll need to set up the grill essentially next to the outlet since the cord is so short. This whole process can be a bit like Tetris, depending on how your space is configured. Should you buy the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL Outdoor Grill? Buy it if you want a low-maintenance barbecue, grill and smoker. Barring the fact its accessories aren't dishwasher safe, the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL is incredibly low maintenance. You barely have to worry about the food while it's cooking, especially when using the smart thermostat. You want smoky flavors without spending too much. Given its capabilities, the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL is surprisingly cost-effective as an alternative to full-blown barbecue smokers. Plus, it's electric, bonus. You need a space-saving alternative to a full barbecue grill. This model may be larger than the original, but it's still a wonderfully compact option for balconies, patios, terraces or smaller gardens.